How to fix administrator permission Windows 11. If you're having issues with administrator permissions on Windows 11, don't worry, you've come to the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix the administrator permission error, which can sometimes pop up when you're trying to access or modify files and folders. So let's get started. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly talk about what this error is. The administrator permission issue occurs when your user account doesn't have the necessary privileges to access or change a file or folder, even though you might think you're logged in as an administrator. This can happen for several reasons, including permission settings, user account control, or system file corruption. But don't worry, I've got you covered with several solutions. Let's start with the simple solutions. Sometimes the program you're trying to run just needs to be launched with administrator privileges. Simply right-click on the program or file that's giving you a trouble and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the user account control, simply click Yes to allow it. If this works, great, you've fixed the issue, but if not, let's move on to the next solution. Another common fix is taking ownership of the file or folder you're having trouble with. Sometimes files and folders are restricted to certain users. Right-click on the file and select Properties, and simply go to the Security tab and click on Advanced at the bottom. In the Advanced Security Settings window, click on Change Link next to the owner. Now type your username in the box and click Check Names to verify it. Once it's verified, click OK. If you're still facing the issue, your user account control settings might be preventing you from performing administrative actions. Let's adjust the settings. Simply press the Start button or simply type UAC, then click on Change User Account Control Settings. Now, move the slider to Never Notify and click on OK. Keep in mind that lowering UAC settings can expose the computer to potential risks, so only use this method temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Now, sometimes system file corruption can cause permission issues, and in that case, running the system file checker and deployment imaging service and management tools can help. So press the Start button and type Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. And in the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. If it finds any issues, it will attempt to fix them automatically. Next, we'll run the DISM tool. In the same command prompt window, type this command and press Enter. This will scan for any system image issues and repair them. And both scans are finished. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix the administrator permission issues on Windows 11.